y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Courtney Marie. If you're new here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Today's video I am going to be trying new products, and I'm also going to be doing a soft glam makeup look. If you want to see how I achieve this look, just keep watching. So as you can see, eyebrows are done. I usually do them off camera. I do have an eyebrow tutorial on my channel if you want to see how I do my eyebrows. Skin prep is done already as well. Now, first things first, I need some type of hydration. So I use my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Primer, and now I am using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Both of these primers are hydrating primers, which I love because my skin is definitely dry and I need something to lock in that hydration because makeup will definitely dry out my skin as well. And yes, girl, you see it. That Milk Hydro Grip Primer will have your makeup on all day. So now I'm going in with the Milk Sunshine Under Eye Tint. This is my first time using it. It is a light coverage concealer. It has vitamin C in it, so it's supposed to help brighten underneath your eyes. I have the shade 4, and I got this simply because I'm starting to see some dark circles underneath my eyes. I work 12-hour shifts, so I think that is the root of the problem. But overall, this will be good to apply on those no makeup days. It says it's a 3-in-1. It's an eye tint, an eye brightener, and a hydrator. So we're going to try it out and see how it does for us. For a foundation, I'm using my go-to, my Lancome foundation. It is in the shade 510 Neutral. If y'all watch my previous videos, y'all already know how I feel about this foundation. I am in love with it. Like, you see it. Yeah, what's understood don't need to be explained. For contour, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Contour Stick. It is in the shade Espresso, and I'm just going to contour my face. Basically, sculpt out some cheekbones, sculpt my jawline and my forehead area. For liquid blush, I'm using my Juvia's Place. It is in the shade Peach Rose, and I'm using 2 dots, and I'm going to blend that blush upwards. So now I'm going to try out the new Fenty Beauty Hydrating Concealers. I am using the shade 360 Warm, and I'm just applying that in areas where I want to brighten. The other shade that I got is 315 Warm, and I'm going to apply that in the inner corners of my eyes. Overall, I feel like this concealer will be a good everyday natural concealer. If you like natural, this will be a concealer to buy. It is a buildable coverage, but I feel like it has more coverage than what I expected. But this concealer just melts into my skin. Y'all will see it when I start blending it out, but it just melts right into it. It's very lightweight, and it's, I believe, 50 shades. So Fenty definitely outdid themselves with this one in the shade range, like they always do. Hey Riri girl. If y'all know me, y'all know how I feel about Riri. I am a fan. Anyway. So here I am blending out the concealer, and like I said before, like it's just blending in. It is absorbing into my skin. Like, look at it. It is spreading like butter and melting into my skin. And the brush that I'm using is actually from Shein. It is a dupe of the Real Techniques setting brush, I believe. And it only cost me like $1.20 maybe. So, yes, get into the deals, honey. Get into the deals. But I'm just patting that concealer in using a light hand, and I'm using the brush because I want coverage. Then I'm going to use the Beauty Blender just to buff out those edges and to blend underneath my eyes where the brush couldn't reach. I guess, yeah. So I'm not with no
nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over, tasted and call me. Still got love for your mommy.
So I'm also going in with the Fenty Beauty Invisimatte. It is a pressed setting powder and blotting powder. I decided to use this to set the concealer just to see how the two work together, and boom, it did its thing. But I'm also going to go in with a loose setting powder as well later in the video. For bronzer, I'm going in with Fenty Beauty. I'm using the shade Mocha Mommy, and I'm just going over that contour just to add a bit of warmth back into my face. Using my foundation powder, I'm just getting rid of any harsh lines, getting rid of any excess powder, and just making sure everything is blended well together. And now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio palette, and I'm going heavy with the blush because it is the month of love. Also, the month of Black History. Let's not forget it. We are going to stay honoring our African Americans for the obstacles they face and for the achievements that they've made, period. Setting my face with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Setting Spray. Now I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Rose Metals Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm just taking these colors and I am blending them into my crease. I am blending in circular motions and also blending upwards and outwards towards my eyebrow. You don't ever, but I don't want you. Baby, I just want you to get up. And now I'm going to take this shade. This is the Juvia's Place Culture 2 eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to place this on my eyelid. And I'm going to take this color a bit above my crease just to give the illusion that my eyes are bigger than what they are. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, I know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And now I'm taking that same shade that I used in my crease, and I'm just using that to smoke out the outer corners of my eyes. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Now I am applying a little bit of eyeliner. This is the Fenty Beauty eyeliner. Eyeliner can either make or break your eye look. So you definitely want to practice and get the hang of it. So I got my hands on this one size translucent setting powder, and Patrick, you outdid yourself on this one. Like, yeah, like I don't even have to say much, y'all see it, but I am just pressing that powder into my skin, and yep, it melted right in there. It just mattifies and make my makeup look so smooth. So definitely love this powder. And now I'm going to apply my hella thick Fenty Beauty mascara, my fave, and then I'm going to apply some strip lashes. For lip liner, I'm using my Juvia's Place lip liner in the shade Coffee Bean. Y'all, I try to use the MAC lip liner in the shade Court, and it did not show up on my lips at all, because y'all know my lips are dual colored, dual tone, whatever you call it. So I have to use like a shade like this that's like a dark brown for it to even show up. But my lips are really sensitive, so I hate applying a lot of product on them anyway. But now I'm using the Morphe Soul Matte liquid lipstick, and it is in the shade Quick Crush. This is actually like my go-to lip combo. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. For lip gloss, I'm using a Too Faced lip injection. It's in the shade Soulmate. Honestly, my lips are already big. I don't know why I'm using this lip gloss. I don't really need it, but it's cute and it tingles. But yes, this is the final look. I am in love with how this came out. How do you guys like it? Please like, comment, and subscribe if you guys want to see more videos. And I will see y'all in my next one.
I would like to get to